Are you looking to scale your investment portfolio using single-family homes? Well, stick around because I'm going to share 7 points for you to consider to help you make this decision. Financial institutions love single-family homes, so you are likely going to have an easier time securing a mortgage. Families and individuals are always looking for these homes, so they are in high demand, thereby ensuring consistent rental income for you. One tenant means less hassle, so managing a single-family home is a breeze compared to multi-family property. While these are the pros, fourth point to consider is, with only one tenant in place, the potential to increase rental income is limited. If it goes vacant, you lose 100% of your rental income until you find a new tenant. You are on the hook for maintenance and repairs, along with property taxes, so any unexpected issues can dig into your profits. It's much harder to scale your real estate portfolio using single-family homes because each home requires separate management and financing. I hope you found this helpful. Follow the REI Wizard for more such real estate investing tips.